Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, ayragkworld. Today's topic is English exercise. Fill in the blanks with is, am and are. We, happy to meet you. The right answer is are. We are happy to meet you. I, interested in playing cricket. The right answer is am. I am interested in playing cricket. The toys, on the table. The toys are on the table. You, my best friend. You are my best friend. Where, the tallest mountain in the world. Where is the tallest mountain in the world? Why, I learning to speak in English. The right answer is am. Why am I learning to speak in English? What, these tiny objects. What are these tiny objects? The teacher, evaluating the answer sheets. The teacher is evaluating the answer sheets. The right answer is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.